Hi everyone. I don't know if anybody ever drinks old coconuts. I'm about to try it. Look at this. Woo! Always say it's got 2 eyes and a mouth. See that? How cool is that for Halloween? But I don't know if it's those 2 eyes and that's the mouth. That's the 2 eyes, that's the mouth, or that's the 2 eyes, that's the mouth. So this is a fun game you have to play. Guess which is the mouth. I'm gonna guess. Can you see how those two look very similar? I'm gonna guess that's the mouth. Can you see that? It looks like he's doing that. Let me try. Looks like that thing from Halloween. This is how you check. Just stick a knife in. Oh, I was right. This is a old coconut from Ivory Coast. Cool. Let's see what these taste like. These are always in the supermarket. I don't know. See that? Easy peasy. My reusable straw. When I say my reusable straw, I mean the straw I always reuse. I get it free with my coconuts. Let me try this. Holy crap! Whoa! I thought I'm hungry, or that is more sweet than the Thai coconut. This is sweet. The raw life just gets better and better every day. But because you pierced the hole down, the pieces can choke you. 50p, man, that's amazing. Now the reason why I got this is because as a fun thing to do, I'm gonna chew on the meat. Me and Danny used to always do this. You know how they say do coconut oil pulling for your teeth? I think just getting an old mature coconut and just chewing on the meat and then spitting it out, or like, it'll kind of like naturally do that for you. It's kind of like a natural oil puller. So I'm gonna leave this in the fridge. I'm gonna do that later. Right now, I'm gonna head to the spa, but I'm low on sugar, and I'm gonna make Galia Melon Juice. And just to let you guys know, I don't know if you can tell, but I've invested in camera technology. Look at this. I need to fix this light, because this light is annoying me. Look, it's always like giving out. See that? Look how beautiful it is. Now this one I've selected, excuse my fingers, I know they don't look pretty. This one I've selected, I purely selected it because, let me see if it's that one or is it, maybe if I put, I know what to do. I'm gonna put a thing over it. I'm gonna put a strip over that so it can block it out. Because then it's better. Look, see, now it's better. So basically I selected this by going like this. I smelt it. It smelled super fragrant. The colour, it was very good. It stood out of all of the ones. So when you go to choose Galia, you'll see them all lined up, and then there'll be the one that says take me, take me. This is the one that you take. So again, I'm gonna show you. Beautiful colour. That light is killing me. Anyway, long story short, smells amazing. Push here. See that bit there? You push it. Soft. Soft. Smells fragrant. Ready to chop up. Now, this is what I recommend you do. Number 1, get a knife. Get a sharpening tool. Look at this. Start here. And there. Start low. End at the tip. Because you wanna, when you chop melons, you need to make sure your knife is sharp. Here we go. Look at this. This is how you can check if it's sharp. Just with no pressure, it should easily come off like that. So what I'm gonna do is, this is how I chop Galia. I always, because you want to get maximum yield, right? You don't want to waste it in any of this. I literally chop up. Can you see how much I chopped up? Look. This light is really annoying. Anyway, if you can see how much I've chopped up, it's like minimal amount. You can see it's like a disc. It's like super thin. So what is left here is, what you want to get is maximum yield, right? Why are you buying fruit, bringing it all the way home, and then you chop it, and then most of it's just going to waste. Now, I'm a bit hygiene focused, so what I'm quickly do is I'm just going to quickly wash my hand, because what I'm going to do is, if you look at the way I've done this, I keep my Galia at the edge of the board, because what I don't want to do is, I want to keep my board clean. I don't want the skin to touch it, because I don't know where the skin's been, who's handled it, the bacteria on it, you know what I mean? So one thing I could have done is, I could actually, do you know what would have been better? I should have just washed the melon. That might be a better idea if you just wash the melon. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to have my hands here. I want minimal touch. And then what I'm going to do is, just gently go around. Again, look at that, minimal waste. Minimal waste, and I don't want it to really touch the board, so I keep it away. So you just have to follow the contours of the melon. Because again, as I said, you want to get, basically you want to minimize how much waste you have, and you want to maximize how much yield you get. So yeah, you can go buy an expensive juicer, and that juicer can give you your maximum yield, but if you're not chopping it properly, because you're being lazy or trying to do it too quick, it ain't gonna work out. So can you see, look, just that? Now what you can tell is, if you chopped it well, you should get like a lot of white marks. You get what I'm saying? And then look, this is how it's gonna look. Oh, see this? This is a feminine plant. This is the reproductive organ of a flowering plant, and there's the development environment. Smells great. I chose a good one. Literally. By the way, I always reuse my plastic fork and my plastic straw. Why do I do it? I don't know. Metal's a bit funny to me. So it's just out of preference. I wouldn't do wooden. They're difficult to clean. So I just reuse these two every day. Oh man, look at that, guys. See this? Again, maximum yield. Oh, if you got a good melon, you should have this. This is fruitarian selection skills. See that in there? I don't know about you guys, but I see a puddle of nectar. Even sweeter than that coconut. Sugar, sugar, sugar. My body wants sugar. Again, gently scoop it out. Go disseminate those seeds. I can't do that. I live in the middle of a city. I mean, look, just drink. Very nice. Do you know what's weird, guys? You know how people ask, should we eat nuts and seeds? I find it a bit interesting how I wouldn't eat this. You get what I mean? Like in nature, I wouldn't go out and like, it wouldn't come to my mind to eat these seeds. I'd think about planting those seeds. And when people eat pumpkin seeds and all these seeds, and you know, everyone's always promoting seeds, it's healthy for you. But in reality, are you really like, do you get what I'm saying? I don't really, the seeds I would eat is the seed of a passion fruit, a pomegranate, figs, pitaya. I wouldn't really eat these seeds. So it's like, when people say I eat nuts and seeds, I'm kind of thinking, I'd want to eat the seeds of a passion fruit. I don't want to eat the seeds of this. I'm not trying to become a perfectionist. I'm just saying that I don't need to eat pumpkin seed. You get what I'm saying? And sunflowers. I don't need to eat that. If you like to eat it, great. Good for you. Anyway, back to this. Watch this. 1, 2, and then what I'm gonna do is, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see that? Nice long pieces. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then that's literally 4. Now, if you be like, why are you chopping it like this? It's because I'm chopping it in a way that's good for my juicer. And my juicer has a chute where you can put it in vertically. So I'm literally just gonna like put these in vertically. I like doing that. I do it with my watermelon as well. Just to let you guys know, I'm actually gonna be heading to the spa shortly. That's right. That's what I promote everyone to do. Steam sauna. Eating fruit is lovely, but skin detoxification, elimination is paramount. Okay, now to the machine. Man, this thing I invested in is amazing. Okay, by the way, this is a 50-pound machine. Keep it simple. Okay, you guys can see me. Get your jug. Maybe I'll get a nice clean one so you guys can see the yield. I actually don't want to I tell you what, guys, I don't want to strain Galia melon juice. Some juices I filter, so for example, green juice, you should do it. Galia, nah, I kind of enjoy it because it's a very creamy, syrupy juice, and it's like there's no need to filter out that little bit of pulp. So keep it simple. Do you know what? I'm gonna do it in this glass cup. Switch the machine on. You get this piece, and you put them in vertically, and then watch the juice. So today I drank already one of these. I drank 500 grams of clementine, and I mixed that with 2 passion fruits. Then I was so busy I had to leave. That's why now I have to stop for some sugar, because I don't want to go drowsy into the spa. So that's the way I eat. I always think about load up sugar, load up sugar. You can see that there now. Now if you do this, it's a very risky thing to do because you have to be careful, because it's going to keep pressing them and might overflow. What I will actually do is I'll go get my coconut straw. See, I reuse my straws. It's leaking a bit. If you do this, always change. Look, always move this out so it doesn't leak onto your countertop. It's alright if it does. There you go. Here's the product, guys. I turn this into that. See? Your decision. There's the pulp. How funny is that? Look, that's why melons are a good fruit. They don't have much pulp. Melons, grapes, see? This into that gives me this. And you know what? Let me give you a tip here. Melon juice is a special juice because with melon juice, you don't have to filter it. You don't necessarily have to filter it because you get very little fiber. And in general, because it's alkaline, they're always alkaline. If you look at these, they're not acidic. So you don't really need a straw. You need a straw if you drink like your oranges and lemons just to protect your teeth, but so so good. I'm gonna make some more. I'm literally gonna finish this. So that's 1 cup. This one should taste better because I left the juicer out all day. Not all day, but for a few hours, and like that clementine juice that was there before was like fermenting a bit. So it kind of like, I could taste it inside the juice. That's why you didn't see a euphoria reaction to it. But this one will be nice because it's like filtered out. So next time what you could do is if you leave your juicer on, just pour some water in, catch it, throw it out, and then start juicing. If you do what I do, because I like to drink them fresh. What I could have done is if I was smart and I knew how long I was going to be out, I would have made more and then put it in a glass container, and then I would have taken it with me. See? Look how simple it is. Do you prefer Pile de Sapo watermelon or Galia juice? The funny thing is, in my fridge, I have a Pile de Sapo, a watermelon, and a Galia melon juice. Ah! Sorry, I was about to overspill. Caught it on time. But which one do I like the most? This one. This one is, even Daniela thinks so too. This one is thick, creamy, syrupy, super sweet, honey. It has this like mango durian essence, so it's like, this is the one. But they all have their place, because Pila de Sapo is not too sweet and it kind of like cools you down, chills you out. Watermelon hydrates you, and then this one gives you that energy. So it's like, if I had to say breakfast, lunch and dinner, it would be watermelon, Galia, Pila de Sapo. Hydrate in the morning, energize in the afternoon, mellow out in the evening. A nice delicious organic salad. I'm actually gonna, I don't know if I'm doing a YouTube video on this, but, or maybe I just do live, I don't know. But later today I'm gonna make a organic salad for you guys and show you what I'm gonna have. If I don't change my mind, I always ask my body, do you want the salad or not? And if it says no, I don't give it. So see that? Look how simple it is. Your body's like a car. If the fuel tank starts to dry out, suck down your juice, fill it back up. If you don't want to eat, save yourself digestion time, drink it. If you're blessed to be near nature, let's say you're living in Spain where these are growing, compost this, disseminate that, and don't waste your time feeling sick and tired. Go enjoy your healthy, vibrant body and go swimming, go dancing, go paint something, go watch a funny movie, do whatever you want to do with your life. I hope this inspired you all. I hope you all make melon juice, make Galia melon juice. Select the right, if you don't select the right Galia, if it doesn't speak to you, if it doesn't have that nice vibrant yellow color, that golden yellow color, if it doesn't have that nice aroma coming out of it, it doesn't have soft and top bottoms, you ain't gonna enjoy the juice. You're gonna be looking for dates or something. But I'd say this was liquid date, so was that coconut water. So we're making much more content because there's too much crap out there promoting junk food, and this is tasty. It's so dumb. Like, why don't I eat candy? Why don't I need a pizza? It's like, if I need a pizza, I'll go make oregano, basil, avocado with tomato, and yeah, just that dressing. If I need some salt with it, I'll juice some celery. If I want to have Chinese food, I literally go take white bean sprouts, carrots, bell peppers, lettuce, and make myself an oriental salad dressing. I can give you guys the same flavors you get from Chinese food in a raw organic salad. Ginger, turmeric, chili, you know what I mean? Mint. Add some raw sesame seed butter. What's the deal? You want sugar? Suck this down. And it's like, save yourself. Don't get sick, okay? So look after yourselves. I'm still on my journey. I'm working hard every day, being consistent, okay? That's the important, be consistent. So look after yourselves. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be back again with you guys soon. Peace.